In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dotted or dashed line in Figma. Start by opening your design so you can see the canvas you'll be working on. With your file open, we'll create the baseline first. Select the line tool from the toolbar, then click and drag on the canvas. Hold Shift while you drag to keep the line perfectly straight, whether you want it horizontal, vertical, or on a clean diagonal. Release to place the line exactly where you need it. With the line selected, look to the right-hand side of the interface. In the Design tab, find the Stroke section. This is where you control how the line looks. We're going to switch from a solid stroke to a patterned one. Next to the stroke options, click the small settings icon to open the advanced stroke settings. In that panel, choose the dashed style so you can define the pattern. Let's fine-tune the pattern for a dashed line first. Set the dash value to a higher number, like 10, to control how long each dash appears. Then adjust the gap value to decide how much empty space sits between dashes. Increasing the gap spreads them out, decreasing it pulls them closer. You'll see the line update in real time on the canvas, so make small changes until it feels balanced for your layout. If you prefer a dotted line, change the dash value to 1 for very short marks, or even 0 if you want perfectly round dots. Then increase the gap to open up the spacing between each dot. The combination of a tiny dash length and a deliberate gap is what creates that clean dotted effect. To polish the look, adjust the dash cap. Switching the cap to round softens the ends of each dash and turns dots into smooth circles. If you leave the cap at the default setting, you'll get square-ended dashes for a more structured, technical feel. Choose the option that best matches your design's tone. As you preview, check how the pattern reads at different zoom levels and against your background. Clear spacing and consistent rhythm make dashed and dotted lines work well as dividers, callouts, and guides within your design. Once you are happy with the look, your line is ready to use anywhere in your layout. And that's how to create clean dashed or dotted lines in Figma. Thanks for watching.